In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a magazine cover in Canva. First, open Canva and search for magazine cover. This pulls up pre-sized templates that match typical cover proportions, which makes layout and spacing easier. If you prefer total control, you can also start with a blank canvas, but templates are a great jumpstart because they show you how type and imagery work together on a cover. Choose a template that fits the mood of your magazine. Think of it as a foundation. You'll replace images, colors, and text, but the structure helps you move faster. Now, add your main image. Go to Uploads, bring in your photo, and drag it onto the canvas. Resize it so your subject is prominent. For that clean, editorial look, use the background remover under Effects to cut out your subject. You can refine the edges with the eraser or restore brush until it feels natural against the background. Next, create the masthead, the magazine's title. Add a heading, pick a bold, sans serif font, and scale it so it has presence at the top of the page. Adjust the color for strong contrast, and don't be afraid to let the title slightly overlap your subject. This overlap adds depth and is a common magazine technique, as long as the name remains legible. Now add your cover lines, the headlines that tease what's inside. Use smaller text boxes and vary font size and weight to create a clear hierarchy. Place them strategically around the main image, often aligned along the left and right edges. Keep important facial features or key parts of your image unobstructed. Use colors sparingly to emphasize a few keywords, and ensure there's enough contrast so everything is easy to read. Incorporate elements to add polish. Open the Elements tab and bring in shapes, stamps, or simple boxes to frame special features. Add small details like the date, issue number, and a barcode. You can create a minimal barcode look using thin rectangles and lines. Just keep it subtle and aligned to a bottom corner. Refine and style your design. Adjust colors to create a cohesive palette, try a light filter on the photo if needed, and tweak line spacing and letter spacing to make text feel balanced and professional. If you need extra visuals, Canva's media library has stock photos and graphics you can blend into your layout. When you're happy, click Share, then download. Choose PNG or JPG for digital use, or PDF for a high-quality print-ready file. That's it. Thanks for watching.